Hello, welcome to Gurukul's CAT 100 series, a series that's designed specifically to take you from your study room to the corporate boardroom. I am Pradyumna Sharma and this is Verbal Mastery with Prady. Alright guys, welcome back to another video in the Verbal Mastery with Prady 100 Days to CAT series by the Gurukul. Now, we've come back with another passage. Now, if you want to take this passage as a test, as usual, please go on to www.thegurukul.org.in, okay, and sign up for the 100 Days to CAT test series. Obviously, this is a free thing, okay, where you'll get both quant and VRC tests for all the 100 days of your preparation to keep you consistently practicing for your CAT exam. Now, in case you don't want to take this as a test and you want to solve it with Prady on YouTube, then all you got to do is pause the video when I ask you to pause the video, read it, read the passage, mind map it, and then we'll go into the questions. I'll give you enough time to solve each question and then we'll look at the explanation of the passage and the explanation of the questions, right? Okay, so pause your video over here, read this paragraph, take up to 2 minutes, and then we'll go into the next paragraph. Now, pause your video here, read these 2 paragraphs, take up to maybe 2 minutes, then we'll go into the next paragraph. Read this paragraph, take up to 2 minutes, and then we'll get into the questions. Okay, so this is your question number 1. If you've read the paragraph well, you should be able to answer this question in less than 1.5 minutes. So come on, put on that timer, no cheating guys, start. Okay, this is your question number 2, put on the timer, 1.5 minutes, no cheating, start. Okay, question number 3, again, put on the timer, start. Okay, last question, pause the video here, put on the timer, start. Okay, now that you've read the questions, you've answered the questions, tell us how you felt about this passage in the comments. Let's get into the explanations of this passage quickly. Sometimes it takes a while for the importance of scientific discovery to become clear. When the first perovskite, a compound of calcium, titanium and oxygen was discovered. So basically what is this perovskite? Some kind of a compound. So I'll just take this off. I don't need this. The name is enough. Okay, when this was discovered in the Ural Mountains in 1839, it was named after Count Lev Perovsky, a Russian mineralogist, and nothing much happened over there. Okay, so from here I just understand that something called as PS, let me just call that thing as PS, okay, was discovered again somewhere near, you know, Count Lev mountain. Alright, so this is all the idea that I get from there. Next, what do I see? The name, however, has come to be used as a plural to describe a range of other compounds that share the crystal structure of the original. That means there are other compounds also. Okay, not only this, there are other compounds with same name. Okay, with the same name. Right. In 2006, interest perked up, that means interest grew, interest बढ़ गया. Okay, when Tsutomu Miyazaki, again I don't need the name, of some university in Japan discovered that PS are semiconductors. Okay, so that is when the interest grew up, when we got to know that these are semiconductors and they showed particular promise as the basis of a new type of solar cell. Okay, so now we understand that this PS is significant because they were semiconductor materials. Okay, and these could be used as solar cells. All right. So in 2012, Henry Snaith of the University of Oxford in Britain and his colleagues found a way to make PS cells with an efficiency measured in terms of how well a connect. So again guys, over here when I see this and this, I understand that whatever is between them, right, it's just a kind of a definition. So if I understand what efficiency is already, I don't need to read it. Now in case you do not know what efficiency is, then you should definitely read this. So these people, Dr. Henry Snaith and his colleagues, what did they do? They started making, you know, they found a way to make a solar cell out of this PS thing. Okay, with an efficiency. And what is efficiency? efficiency is something that, you know, how well does a cell convert light into electric current. So एक सेल लाइट को इलेक्ट्रिक करंट में कितने अच्छे तरीके से कन्वर्ट कर सकता है, वो उसकी एफिशिएंसी होती है. एंड द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ दीज PS cells was nothing but just over 10%. तो 10% के ऊपर था थोड़ा सा. This was such a good conversion rate that Dr. Snaith immediately switched the direction of Oxford Photovoltaics, a firm that he had co-founded to develop new solar materials. So ये Oxford Photovoltaics क्या था? ये कंपनी था जिसको स्नेथ ने फाइंड किया, स्नेथ ने शुरू किया, और किस चीज के बारे में था? इट वाज टू डेवलप द सोलर मटेरियल्स. ओके, सो उसका पूरा डायरेक्शन बदल दिया, राइट? सो इनटू मेकिंग PS एंड PS अलोन. तो ये अब सिर्फ PS बनाता था और कुछ भी नहीं बनाता था, सिर्फ PS बना रहा था. प्रोग्रेस हैज कंटिन्यूड एंड नाउ दैट firm and also Solid Technologies, a Polish concern founded in 2014 to do similar things, are close to bringing the first commercial PS solar cells to the market. तो क्या कर रहे हैं? तो वो firm पूरा डायरेक्शन बदल के सिर्फ PS के सोलर सेल्स पे फोकस करने लगा. और एक फर्म भी जो 2014 में पॉलिश ओरिजिन का था, वो भी वही काम कर रहा था, सोलर सेल्स बनाने का काम कर रहा था. उसने भी PS पे ही अपना पूरा दावा लगाया, और नाउ दे आर गेटिंग अ फर्स्ट कमर्शियल सोलर सेल ऑफ PS इनटू द market. So these are the ideas that we get, guys. Let's go to the second paragraph and third paragraph. So today 10% is quite a modest efficiency for a PS cell in the coddling conditions of a laboratory. मतलब आज के दिनों में देखा जाए तो PS cell के लिए एक protective environment. If you don't know what the meaning of coddling is, please write it down. So over protective environment. Okay. So coddling conditions of a laboratory मतलब एकदम बचा के रखा है ना, तो लैबोरेटरी में तो सब कुछ एकदम अच्छे से रहता है. बाहर आके देखोगे तब ना बदलेगा, राइट? सो फॉर लैब सेल्स अबाउट 22% इज नाउ अ रूटीन. तो एकदम अभी तो नॉर्मल सी बात हो गई है कि 22% आए, बस इसका तो अभी सिर्फ 10% है. That makes those cells comparable with ones made from silicon. So अब जाके आ रहा है अपना कंपैरिजन PS cells versus silicon cells का. Okay, क्यों, किस बात पे आया comparison? When we talked about the efficiency, then we started comparing. Okay, so that makes those cells comparable with the ones made from silicon, as most of the cells in solar panels are, albeit that such silicon cells are commercial, not experimental. तो क्या मतलब है? PS cells are more experimental, silicon cells are more commercial. ठीक है? However, this kind of PS cells, or sorry, however, silicon cells took more than 60 years to get as far as they have, and the element is probably close to its maximum practical level of efficiency. तो इस सिलिकॉन को अभी इस लेवल पे आने के लिए 60 इयर्स के ऊपर, 60 साल के ऊपर लग गया, और जितना एफिशिएंसी था उतना हम लोगों ने ले लिया उससे, और ज्यादा एफिशिएंसी लेने का कोई चांस ही नहीं है. सो देयर मे नॉट बी मच मोर टू स्क्वीज फ्रॉम इट, whereas PS could go much higher. तो अभी PS पे जो रिसर्च चल रहा है उससे अपने को PS से ज्यादा बेनिफिट मिलने की संभावना है. Okay, PS cells can also be made cheaply from commonly available industrial chemicals and metals, and they can be printed onto flexible films or plastic or in roll-to-roll mass production process. मतलब क्या है? ये एक तो cheap है, ठीक है, लिख लेते हैं, cheap, easily available, क्योंकि अब अपने इंडस्ट्रियल केमिकल से बनाना है ना, कहीं जाके तो थोड़ा ना कुछ लेके आना है. सो इजीली अवेलेबल, ओके, एंड मैन्युफैक्चर फ्रेंडली भी है. यस, बोल रहा है ना, जैसे चाहिए वैसे आप रोल करके बना लो. सो सिलिकॉन सेल्स बाय कॉन्ट्रास्ट आर रिजिड. तो ये है PS के एडवांटेजेस. अब देखो सिलिकॉन के डिसएडवांटेजेस बता रहा है वो, राइट? सिलिकॉन सेल्स बाय कॉन्ट्रास्ट मतलब ऑपोजिट व्यू में, है ना? सो दीज आर रिजिड, और क्या क्या बोल रहा है? They are made from thinly sliced wafers of extremely pure silicon in a process that requires high temperature that makes factories designed to produce them expensive proposition. मतलब क्या यहाँ पे एक तो है ये expensive manufacturing, okay, and अपने को चाहिए pure silicon. So ये तीनों अपने disadvantages है silicon यूज करने के, और ये तीनों advantages है PS यूज करने के. So let's go into the next and the last paragraph, friends. So on the face of it, then PS should already be transforming the business of solar power. मतलब ऐसे इतना एडवांटेजेस है और सिलिकॉन का तो इतना डिसएडवांटेजेस है, इसका मतलब तो ये सीधे सीधी बात है ना कि PS तो अभी तक धूम मचा रहा होगा पूरे सोलर पैनल्स के इंडस्ट्री में, बट थिंग्स आर नेवर दैट सिंपल. इतना आसान होता तो भाई बहुत लोग कहां कहां चले जाते हैं ना. First, as with many new technologies, there's a difference between what works at small scale in a laboratory and at an industrial scale in a factory. तो जो लैबोरेटरी में काम करता है वो ऐसा है नहीं कि वो इंडस्ट्री में भी काम करे. ओके, बहुत डिफरेंस, बहुत अंतर है. लर्निंग हाउ टू मैन्युफैक्चर समथिंग टेक्स अ व्हाइल. ऑल्सो PS as materials are not without their problems, in particular a tendency to be bit unstable in high temperatures and susceptible to moisture, both of which can cause the cells to decompose. क्या मतलब है इसका? देखो, so PS के materials में भी अपने खुद के problems है. So PS is not all pure, all great thing. Okay. Now what are the problems? First thing, so let's write problems with PS. First thing is that unstable in high temperature. Okay, so let me just write this as unstable in high temperature. Second issue, susceptible to moisture. Okay, so I'll just write it as moisture and across. Susceptible means something that is going to get harmed by moisture. Okay, कुछ उसमें प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है. Okay, बोथ, अब ये दोनों चीजें ओके पीएस को डिकम्पोज कर देंगी. Such traits are unconducive to the success of a product that would be expected to last 2 or 3 decades in the open air. मतलब क्या है, अगर मेरे को इसको ओपन एयर में रखना है तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से तो यार बहुत बहुत नुकसान आएगा अपने को. ऐसी चीजें अनकंड्यूसिव है. अनकंड्यूसिव मतलब समथिंग दैट इज नॉट वेरी सूटेबल. ओके, now what is the last thing that he's saying? Researchers are beginning to solve these shortcomings by making PS that are more robust and waterproof. So जो PS है अपना उसको और बेहतरीन बनाने के लिए रिसर्चर्स काम कर रहे हैं. ओके, चलो क्वेश्चंस पे चलते हैं. लेट्स गो इनटू द क्वेश्चंस. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स होल्ड्स ट्रू फॉर द कंपाउंड्स कॉल्ड PS? ठीक है, सो PS के बारे में क्या चीज सही है ये पूछा जा रहा है. ओके Okay, so Count Lev PS first discovered them in Ural Mountains. Yes, ये तो सही बात है यार, और बाकी जाए ही नहीं क्या. ठीक है, ये तो सही है. Okay, all PS have a structural arrangement comparable to the first PS that was discovered. देखो यहाँ पे हम लोग को बोला है कि some PS have certain structural arrangement, so everything is comparable. ये all वाला केस जब देखते हैं ना हम लोग ने, we've discussed in the previous videos also. If you have not watched the previous video, then you'll have an I button over there. Please click on. आपको पिछले passages भी मिल जाएंगे. You can actually solve them and then you can come back to this passage. So whenever you have these all, none, these kind of answers, usually they are extreme answers and these needs to be avoided. Okay. Again over here, it was discovered in 2006 that all PS can be used to create a new type of solar cell. Again, he never said all PS. He said some PS. Correct. So ये भी तो अपना extreme answer है, so गलत होगा. Next, PS are not affected by water. हाँ, अगर PS are not affected by water तो मैं तो भगवान हूँ, है ना यार. PS obviously अभी तो देखे है ना अपन यहाँ पे कि प्रॉब्लम है कि मॉइस्चर जाता है तो पानी से तो बिगड़ने वाला है ही. तो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट आंसर. सो द राइट आंसर विल बी ए. तो भाइयों आगे चलते हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ PS सोलर सेल्स एक्सेप्ट. सो क्या डिसएडवांटेज नहीं है? सो व्हाट, oh sorry, all of the following are advantages. Okay, so which one is not an advantage? पूछ रहा है कि क्या एडवांटेज नहीं है. The raw materials required for PS are inexpensive and easily available. देखो ये तो एक एडवांटेज ही है, आसानी से मिलते हैं और चीप मिलते हैं. So it's an advantage for all of us obviously. PS cells lend themselves to high volume manufacturing methods. Obviously he's told us that plastic rolls and all तो बन जाते हैं. So this is a very very nice advantage that we have. PS panels are more flexible than rigid silicon panels. Obviously they are. That is what he's told, that PS panels are really rigid. Silicon panels are not. Printed PS solar cells can reach efficiency levels above 22% in lab. See, although this is not an disadvantage, okay, although ये disadvantage नहीं है, ये एडवांटेज भी नहीं है. क्यों नहीं है एडवांटेज प्रैडी सर? ये तो बढ़िया चीज है, 22% के ऊपर आ रहा है. दिस सच अ गुड थिंग. द प्रॉब्लम इज दिस इज नॉट टोल्ड इन द पैसेज. Okay, that means this is nothing but an out of scope choice. So this is definitely our mistake. So this should be our answer. So the right answer will be D. चलो next question पे चलते हैं भाइयों. All of the following are factors that prevent commercial use of PS cells except. So commercial use के लिए अपन क्यों नहीं use कर सकते हैं except. मतलब what is the only reason that I can maybe use it for commercial use. PS crystals are sensitive to high temperature and humidity. हाँ, इसके वजह से तो मैं use नहीं कर सकता हूँ. Setting up mass production lines to scale up the manufacturing capacity of PS cells is a challenge. Obviously, इसके वजह से भी मैं use नहीं कर सकता हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर मेरे को ज्यादा स्केल पे डालना है तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस के लिए बहुत चैलेंज रहता है ना. इंडस्ट्रियल अलग होता है, लैब अलग होता है, वो देखे थे ना अपन. इसलिए इंडस्ट्रियल स्केल मैन्युफैक्चरर्स ऑफ सिलिकॉन सेल्स will resist the advent of PS cells in the market since they have invested in silicon and are familiar with how to handle it. यार देखो पूरे पैसेज में अपने को सिलिकॉन और पीएस का तो कंपैरिजन बताया. ही टोल्ड अस अबाउट द कंपैरिजन ऑफ सिलिकॉन एंड पीएस, बट वेयर डिड द पैसेज इवन टॉक अबाउट द मैन्युफैक्चरर्स ऑफ सिलिकॉन एंड देयर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, देयर एटीट्यूड्स? नोवेयर इन द पैसेज हैज इट बीन स्पोकन अबाउट, राइट? सो डेफिनेटली दिस इज एन आउट ऑफ स्कोप चॉइस. बट यहां पे देखो कितना शानदार से बोला इसने, ठीक है? दिस इज नॉट एन एडवांटेज, राइट? क्या बोलते हैं, सॉरी, दिस इज नॉट अ डिसएडवांटेज, राइट? अगर इसके बारे में बात ही नहीं करा है तो ये डिसएडवांटेज हो ही कैसे सकता है ना? इन देयर करंट फॉर्म पीएस सेल्स आर नॉट रोबस्ट इनफ टू एंड्योर द फोर्स ऑफ नेचर. ऑब्वियसली ये भी तो डिसएडवांटेज है, तो ये भी तो बोला है उन्होंने पैसेज में. सो देयर आर 3 डिसएडवांटेजेस that prevent the commercial use of PS cells. There's one thing that's not been told in the passage, so it's not a disadvantage. Hence, that is the correct answer. Okay, बहुत चालाक बंदा है ये, जो भी पेपर सेट के बहुत चालाक बंदा है. Okay, so which of the following statements, if true, would most significantly not weaken? भाई खेल लिया यहीं पे तो. If true अगर सही है, would not weaken. ठीक है, वो नहीं बोल रहा है कि strengthen करो, वो बस इतना बोल रहा है कि वीकेंड तो मत करो. ओके, तो ठीक है, डी से पढ़ के आते हैं ऊपर. हर चीज तो A2D पढ़ रहा है ना, ये डी से पढ़ के आता है. While PS cells achieve high efficiency in the lab, their performance drops to below 5% when exposed to direct sunlight over long periods. ओके, ठीक है, देखो इसके वजह से डेफिनेटली ये रिवोल्यूशनाइज तो नहीं कर पाएगा सोलर इंडस्ट्री को, है ना? तो ये तो डेफिनेटली वीकेंड कर रहा है. Right. So see, what is he asking? The argument that solar cells are poised to revolutionize. मतलब हाँ, ये सोलर सेल्स के इंडस्ट्री को रिवोल्यूशनाइज कर देंगे, वैसा कौन सा ऑप्शन है? तो ये तो वीकेंड कर रहा है ना. ये तो बोल रहा है कि नहीं रिवोल्यूशनाइज कर पाएगा, है ना? तो ये ऑप्शन वीकेंड कर रहा है. The industrial scale manufacturing process for PS cells requires unique rare earth minerals, increasing their overall production cost. अगर प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट बढ़ रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली वीक है, क्योंकि अगर प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट कम होता तो हाँ यार चीप है तो आराम से रिवोल्यूशनाइज कर देता. बट यहाँ पे तो प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट भी ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली रिवोल्यूशनाइज नहीं कर सकता. A recent breakthrough in silicon manufacturing has drastically reduces the cost of producing flexible silicon solar cells. ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है. He is not talking about PS. He's left PS alone. Instead, he's talking about silicon. He's telling that this has become cheaper. Okay, so in this case also, this is gaining an advantage, which means that this is not going to revolutionize the solar cells industry, correct? So definitely this is also weakening. Silicon solar cells developed in 1960 have achieved an efficiency of 15%, significantly higher than PS cells at similar developmental stage. अब देखो, he's not talking about what is now. He's talking about what was. ठीक है, तो सेम डेवलपमेंट स्टेज पे ये अच्छा था. उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि अभी ये दोनों ऐसे ही हैं. अभी मे बी PS ऊपर आ चुका होगा. Right, so we can't compare the now part. So although this is good historically, this is really not weakening the position of PS cells. So our correct answer should be A.
Hope you enjoyed learning from today's session.
This series is designed to help you with your CAT preparation and practice daily. We are with you in this journey.
To watch the next video, click here. And to watch Gurukul's CAT 100 series, study room to boardroom, the entire playlist, click here.
If you learned from today's session, like, share,
subscribe.
and subscribe.